Hello, I'm Aaliyah Washington and welcome. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use the Moodle site from a teacher's perspective. As you can see, this is the home page with a pretty background and your available courses are right here in the middle for you. Now to create a course like this, you go to Edit Settings on this side and then you see it says Front Page Settings, but that's not what we want. So let's scroll down here and you'll see courses. You click that and you want to manage your courses in categories. You can also add a category, restore a course, look at your course default settings and your course requests. And you click on the first one. Now it'll say create a new category, but you want to create a new course. You go to miscellaneous and create a new course. Now you see here that you can put the full name of the course, the short name, and all this other stuff to personalize your course. So just as an example, let's put English 400, the study of Shakespeare. And here we'll just put English 400. Now, I don't think there's another way. No, so you can just put miscellaneous right here. Make sure that it's visible to the students because you can hide it, but you want it to be visible. You put in the course start date, and for me, I'll just leave it on April 13th, which is tomorrow. And you can put a course ID number. I'm just going to leave that blank since it's not required, which is what this little asterisk means. And you can also put a description if you wish, or you can put certain files inside of this box, drag and drop them here to add to the course summary, the course description. I'll just put here a few words like, this class is about the study of Shakespeare. And of course you can put more than that, it's no problem. But when you scroll down here, there's a whole lot of other stuff that you can do, like course format. You can make it weekly, you can put the number of sections, you can look at the hidden sections and how they're shown, make them completely invisible or make them visible. And you can also look at the course layout, show all the sections on one page or show one section per page. And I'll leave this as all default for you, I just want you to be able to see what it looks like. And then there's also appearance, where you can force language, you can do all this kind of different stuff. I really like the ability to show the gradebook to students, so I'll definitely leave that as a yes. You can also do files and uploads, set an upload limit, completion tracking, groups. You can have group mode, forced group mode, or default grouping. You can even rename like certain roles instead of putting student, or instead of putting teacher, you can maybe put professional or something. Instead of putting student, you can give them more of a different name if you're choosing. And you can add tags, which is really cool. Now you can either save and return or save and display. I'm going to choose save and display so that we can see it on our front page. Alright, now you come to enrolled users, where you would enroll different students. Well, we're going to skip that for now, but that's just how you would do it. You would search and you would enroll them here. You can go to course content, and here you see I have a news forum, you can add comments, and right here I'll turn editing on. So I can change it and make it as cool as I want. Okay, now this is starting to look like a normal Moodle page, right? You see the days and the weeks, and you see the participants and all that on the side, just like you're used to as a student. Now you can press edit, and you can move it, hide it, duplicate it, assign roles, or you can delete the form. You can press edit completely and edit this whole section, where you can put a summary, restrict access, or in all that kind of good thing. Let's go back. Now, you can do all kind of things on this page, like add a new topic, go to your calendar, add a new event. But you can also look here on the sidebar here and do different things here as well, like add a question bank. But let's look at grades. You can even set up your grade book, which is really great. Here would be the place where you would look at your grades, and you can either look at it in the form of a grader report or any of these. Any of these right here, actually. These are just the views. You can look at the grade history, the outcomes, the overview, the single view, or the user report. Here you can even set up different things, like your preferences, your course grade settings, and your grade book. There's different views, there's letters that you can view or edit, and you can import things and export things, which is really cool and very much useful. So now that you've seen how to get to the grade book and how to set up your grades and view them in different sorts of ways, and you've seen how to create a course and how to personalize a course by adding a news forum or adding other things, go to Edit Settings. You can edit your course settings of the entire page by changing the course name and other things in case you decide that you don't want it that way. Let's go back again and look at some more. You can do other things as well. Such as adding activities. You click the activity chooser, and you can either add a resource like a book, a file, all that kind of good stuff, a URL, or you can add an activity, or both, like an assignment, or a forum, or a survey, or a quiz. So let's add an assignment. Now you see you can name this assignment and you can put a description and add any extra files that you need. You can allow the submissions from the due date of your choosing to the cutoff date of your choosing, either one. And there's different submission types. After you finish with that, you press Save and Display, and you'll have yourself a good assignment. Well, I hope that this video has been helpful for you, and I hope that you'll make yourself a great Moodle page. Thank you.